Yeah.
Subscribe to Traveling Utah.
Perfect. Thank you. Oh.
It's a rough ride.
He said, put away your hat and glasses.
For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the bobsled. And be sure to watch your children. Auf Wiedersehen.
Here we go. We put Paisley in the front so she got to see this Yeti first every time. How was that, bud?
Right.
Was that as bad as you thought? No.
Please.
It's a lot jerkier than I remember, but all right, that's Matterhorn.
Hey, I think Hunter enjoyed it, especially when he started laughing. Laughing. He is my son. He laughed. I was laughing because Paisley screamed.
All right, that's Matterhorn. We're going into Small World next. We'll see you on the flip.